In 2020, we will have 50 times more data than today. Not only because we live digital lives, there are also more and more sources that contribute.
Think of embedded systems such as sensors in clothing, or think of medical devices, cars, refrigerators, and structures like buildings and bridges. This is the so-called Internet of Things.
Have you ever thought about the way data influences each single day?
For example, have you ever thought about navigation data that controls traffic and keeps the global economy running? Or the 183 billion emails sent daily?
Data has become a critical factor in everybody's business and personal life. It is as important as the oxygen we breathe. We also know that managing data, controlling it, and protecting it is extremely complex. Data has its own gravity. What does this mean for a senior executive or CEO? It means that data does not move easily. Large pieces of data cannot be copied or pasted.
This applies to data moving from on-premise IT into the cloud and back again if needed. Data moving between production and non-production systems. Data moving from one cloud provider to another. Data moving between high-performance storage tiers and cost-efficient storage tiers.
Enterprises should care. If they could choose a better delivery method for their IT services, in these scenarios, they could generate significant cost savings and efficiency. In other words, the data question is about the money you invest today and about the money you make in the future. The challenge lies in the way data management is architected today.
Each business opportunity is built on a different technology stack with differing protocols, standards, and frameworks. This results in isolated data silos. Customers have limited ability to move their data across and control it at any stage in transit. Efficiency and time to market suffer.
Also, these different stacks create risks. Each has a different security model, data compatibility is not guaranteed, there is virtually no flexibility. And if this is not enough, the sheer number of applications is growing as well. More applications breed even more silos and drive complexity. But the data world can be different. There is a new vision in which data is managed, protected, and moved wherever you want. It is called the data fabric, and it is here today.
You can now invest your money in your own business instead of spending it on infrastructure. You can create value from big data. You can redirect people from low-end operational tasks to focus on company success.
Stop talking about infrastructure. Start focusing on your business. Think data fabric now. It's a highly automated, infinitely scalable and hardware agnostic layer that connects all your company data. Fast, efficient, and reliable. It gives you a consistent experience and lets you manage your data on-premise, the same as off-premise, and serve data at the speed required.